We'll take our long position here, 10 contracts, S&P 500, E-mini. This is our E-mini trading room. Got our fill. We'll go in 10 contracts, 4 ticks or 1 point. Each tick here, or smallest increment price moves, is worth $12.50 per contract per tick. We're in 10 contracts, so that's $125 for each movement. There's 4 movements here in 1 point, or 4 ticks. 4 times 125 is your 500. That's the math. Now, if you'd like to learn more about the signals where I'm taking here and more about the S&P 500 or the Forex room, we have a Forex room too, currencies, you can attend our free live market webinars every Tuesday and Thursday at 2 p.m. Eastern. Those are E-minis, and our Forex webinar is at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard on Wednesday. Alright, we're in this trade here. We're still at break even. This is Ninja Trader I'm using on the right. It's the right trading platform. You can see the yellow cube in the center moving up and down. That's current price. The brown cube represents our average fill on the 10 contracts. The red bar at the bottom is our stop protection if things go wrong, and our profit targets in green. We'll be moving our stop up here fairly aggressively on this trade. It's more of a low probability trade. Didn't get a great fill on this, so we'll be playing a fairly tight stop once this trade manages to move in our direction, hopefully here. Alright, you can see we sandwiched price, brought our stop into break even. So right now, the worst that can happen, the market's not moving fast enough for any slippage, so really the worst right now could be a break even trade where we make nothing, less any little commission, and the best at this point is where our profit target is at 500. A lot of times during a faster moving market, you can receive a positive or a negative slippage, which means a price will go through your limit or stop, and you either get a better fill or a worse fill. But when the market is slow as it is right now, the market should be picking up here pretty soon with market open. You'll see some added activity here. Here we go. So it's banging off of our stop right now. And we'll just let this do what it has to do. We're in a good position right now. Generally, being in a trade at market open, unless you have a tight stop, isn't a great idea. But since we have our stop at break even, it's a good trade here. But it's a little bit of a crapshoot at this point, because the volatility could knock you out of the trade at your stop just from a market wiggle. But then again, it may not. So we're going to stay in this trade right here. Let's see what happens. There we go. We hit our profit of 500. So we're halfway there to our daily total. Let's go ahead to another trade. We're going to take a short position here, 10 contracts, hitting some resistance here, not a terribly high probability signal. but because we're hitting a little bit of resistance here, we'll go ahead and take this nice and short here for just 4 ticks or $500. I'm going to play a real aggressive stop on this. We have some low volatility here. We have an intermediate trend, so we're bucking all that, so that's a little bit of a risky venture here. So what we're going to do is we're going to play a nice tight stop. As you can see, I brought us into a 1-to-1 right now. I'll bring this into a break even real quick as soon as I have a little bit of breathing room right here. You can take these higher risk trades, but you just need to play a very tight and a very sound risk management. And yeah, you get stopped out a lot, but you take little lumps here. So we may get stopped out here, but we may not. It's bouncing near our stop right here. Actually getting a, here we go. Alright, there's the tank we're looking for right there. As you can see, you get pretty close to the stops, bringing us down to break even here. And it's a freebie at this point. Whatever happens, happens, as they say. And we hit our profit target. Alright, there it is. Hit our 1,000. Done for the day. We can wrap this up and we'll see everybody manana. Alright, bye bye.